Is credit card debt getting you down? Can't sleep at night because your current bills are out of control? Action Debt Relief can help. We can help you say goodbye to unsecured debt for good and get back to living your life free from the stress and burden of crushing debt. First things first, are you aware of the various methods you can use to get rid of debt? The two most popular options are bankruptcy and credit counseling. There are two types of bankruptcy, Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Chapter 7 will get rid of all debts, but it is very hard to qualify for. You will most likely end up with Chapter 13. With this option, you give all your money to the court and they provide you with a living allowance. The remaining funds are split between your creditors. Credit counseling provides a debt management plan and works with the creditors to set up a payment plan that fits your budget. These options have drawbacks. You end up paying back 100% of your balances. Payoffs could take up to 5 years. Your monthly payments could be much higher than your current minimum payments. A bankruptcy could damage your credit for up to 10 years. Another option is debt settlement. You put as much money into a trust account as possible each month. When you have enough saved, 50% goes to the creditor and another 15 to 25% goes to the settlement company. The settlement company will attempt to negotiate your balance down to pay it off. Then you keep adding to the trust account until you have enough for them to negotiate the second debt, the third debt, and so on. The big problem with this option is you have no protection against a lawsuit. The debt settlement company will charge you 15 to 25% of your debt to do this work. If you got the 50% reduction, which might be higher, it would bring your costs to 65 to 75% of your debt. You will then be taxed on the forgiven debt. This might mean you are still paying back 100% of your debt. Kind of depressing, right? Relax, there is a better way. At Action Debt Relief, we recommend debt assumption. Our program enrolls debts that qualify and get new terms and conditions approved by the creditors. The new terms are beneficial to your financial situation by eliminating interest and fees and protecting your credit rating. With this program, you can avoid wage garnishments, levies on bank accounts, judgments and lawsuits, tax consequences. This means that our program provides the safest, cheapest route to less debt and financial freedom. Call us today at 941-780-5102 to get started.